Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to download Microsoft Teams app. Let's get started. Start by opening Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Search for Microsoft Teams. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to begin the installation process. Tap on open once the download is completed. Now follow the instructed steps to log in or sign up for your account. And that is how to download Microsoft Teams app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.